Philippine Airlines is bringing back their Cebu to Los Angeles route, with their goal to continuously bring the heart of the Filipino to all areas of the globe. Philippine Airlines will start to offer non-stop flights from Cebu to Los Angeles starting on May 2, 2020. This is their sixth international flight that will be serving non-stop from Cebu, the other five being from Nagoya, Tokyo, Narita, Bangkok, Osaka, and Seoul Incheon. The Vice President for Corporate Communications, Joson Perez de Tagle, pronounced in inviting tourists in line of the emerging big events in the city and of Cebu's grasp to tourists due to its resources that will surely cater our tourism.
To our friends from Cebu and all over the Central Visayas, we'd like to invite you on behalf of Philippine Airlines to try our new service, the historic revival of the Cebu Los Angeles flights starting on May 2, 2020. We are going to be introducing to our passengers and travelers a non-stop link. The first time we'll be flying totally non-stop across the Pacific from Cebu to Los Angeles, both ways. It's a 3 times a week service and we are confident in this. That's why we're putting our largest aircraft, our Boeing 777-300ER, which will now serve the market with 370 seats on board every flight. We will offer the best Mabuhay business class and economy class service in our exclusive cabins on board. And this is part of our latest generation of new aircraft that we are using to fly across the Pacific. And we really are hopeful that if we work together, we can welcome you on board. One flight from Mactan, Cebu, Terminal 2, all the way to Southern California and beyond. And that is something we're excited to offer to everyone. Thank you.
The Cebu-Los Angeles route will give Central Visayas its first direct link to North America. And now, you can turn your dream destinations into a reality. The Philippine Airlines officials, led by the Senior Assistant Vice President for Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao Sales, Harry Inoferio, proudly announced that today during their press conference that the 13 to 14-hour direct flights offer the fastest way for Cebuanos to visit the United States for personal or business occasions.
Our vision for this new flight is to make it, of course, successful, that we will be able to serve the Cebuanos and the Balikbayans for them to have a convenient and enjoyable flight, not only to visit the US but to visit their families back home. The other ingredient that we would like really to develop is for us to be able to invite more and more US citizens to visit the Philippines via Cebu and the various destinations, tourist destinations that we have in the Visayas and Mindanao. The non-stop flight is a wonderful experience with using our latest 777, which can accommodate 370 passengers. With all these new flights, very good timings, we're sure that we will be able to help Cebu and the Visayas and Mindanao area develop its economic, cultural, and tourism.
For My TV Cebu, this is Dio Gracias Alayon.